we are ready to start a new project. The project that I'm going to be showing you today is how to make a champagne glass like this one. But today, in this video that I'm doing, I'm only going to do our color black because I got an order for one of those. And also, I leave this space in case people want to etch the name on here. Okay, so like this one, they want something etched, and I already done I think 2 classes on how to etch, and I'm going to put the links above here. For this project, we're going to need a champagne glass. We're going to need the glitter that you want to use. Like I used 3 colors here. You can use 1, 2, or 3. It's up to you. We're going to do 2 coats of the super gloss Mod Podge, and the last coat is going to be the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. You're going to need a measuring tape. You're going to need your brush. When you do it more than one color, it's good to have one brush for each color, but since I'm only doing black, I only have one. You need your scissors, and you need painter's tape. I'm also going to add in the description box where I get all of my products, so you can just click on the link and buy them if you wish to. But for right now, let's go ahead and start with the video. So I'm gonna put tape like right here at the end where the glass starts, the little design here, and you just go below that, and we're gonna do tape all around it. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we go. Just gonna go all the way around. There it is. Then you're gonna grab a piece of tape, and what you're gonna do with this tape is you're gonna fold it with the sticky part on top, so they don't stick together. You're just gonna cut, make a line to cut them. We're gonna cut them in half, just like that. Okay, so you're just gonna go get your scissors and go ahead and cut it right in the middle. So you need to cut 2 of these, and you're only going to use 3. So here we go, carefully cutting. You're going to go a little slanted right on the line, and you're going to bring your tape this way. Okay, you're going to curve it this way, just like that. Okay, and you're just going to go ahead and tape it completely right there. So now from here, you're going to measure another inch plus 5/8 from here. Okay, so there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 right there. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and put the other tape. So the same thing, a little slanted, and then you're going to come the same way. I don't want to cut this because I may use it, so we're just going to go and do the same thing. Oops. We go here, we go slanted this way, just like that. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go ahead and go like around this way and cut it. We're going to cut it right there, and then we're going to do the same thing with this when I put the other tape. So we're going to need another tape. and do the same thing. So we're going to do another measure again from right in here, measure 1 5/8. Here we go, right there. So we have our tape, do the same thing. Just go like that. Let me move this around a little bit. Just go like that. Just go slanted again. So what we're going to do is just kind of connect them all. Go ahead and put everything together so that we don't go over and paint and glitter too much. So here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3. So there you go. Okay, here we are. So we're going to go ahead and add the Mod Podge only in the open areas. So we're just going to go ahead and put it all around those empty spots right there. Just like that. So we're going to go ahead and put the glitter, and we're going to let it dry for about 45 minutes, and we're going to do 2 coats. So here's basically what you do. Let's go ahead and do 2 coats. So wait 45 minutes and then do the second coat, and we'll see you back when we are done. My 2 coats are already done, so here it is. So all I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna apply the dishwasher safe glossy on top, and this one we're gonna let it dry overnight just to be safe. Okay, if you leave it like 2 hours, something like that, you will be okay, but we just want to make sure that everything settles and it comes out really nice. Okay, we are back. So here's the result of 2 coats of the glitter with the super glass Mod Podge, and I already did 1 coat of the dishwasher safe. And I left it overnight. So we're going to go ahead and slowly and carefully we're going to start pulling the tape out very slowly so we don't make a boo-boo. So see how it's peeling right off. Okay, so there's one. Let's go ahead and look for the other one. There it is. And remember, even though we're using the Mod Podge for this washer, just make sure that you don't do that. Just wash it. Tell your clients, or if you're making them for you, wash it by hand. It's much better. It will last you longer. We already did this here, and now let's go ahead and cut this one. Again, carefully and slowly. Okay, don't rush to take it off because sometimes it pulls some of the glitter and we don't want that. Okay, so here's this. Here we go. Here we go. So all I really need to do, look at how beautiful it looks. All I really need to do is I need to clean it, have it ready, put it in a box, and send it out. So that's all for me, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. But other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.